Welcome to FirstWord Pharma's News Roundup for November 28th, brought to you today by editorial researcher Olivia Roger. In our top news story, Merck KGaA and Pfizer's Bavencio failed to demonstrate superior overall survival versus chemotherapy in patients with gastric cancer. The Javelin Gastric 300 trial investigated the anti-PD-L1 antibody as a third-line treatment for patients with unresectable, recurrent, or metastatic gastric cancer. Luciano Rossetti, global head of R&D at Merck's biopharma business, noted gastric cancer in the third-line setting is a particularly hard-to-treat and heterogeneous disease. Rossetti added, this was the first trial conducted with a checkpoint inhibitor compared to an active chemotherapy comparator rather than placebo in a global patient population. In other news, Auris Medical will end a Phase 3 study of AM-111 in patients with sudden deafness after a similar late-stage trial failed to meet its main goal. Top-line results from the HELOS study showed that AM-111 did not significantly improve hearing versus placebo in patients with severe to profound sudden deafness. And finally, the UK's Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency reclassified Pfizer's Viagra, allowing the erectile dysfunction treatment to be available without a prescription. The non-prescription version of the product will be available in the UK, the first country to grant it over-the-counter status, in the spring of 2018. To read these and other stories in full, please visit firstwordpharma.com.
Are you able to keep up with all the news and views in the biosimilars market? FirstWord's Biosimilar Index is the only dedicated biosimilar and non-comparable biologics intelligence tool available. Get ahead of your competition and learn more today.